Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Mateminco. Now these here are the CSF-04. Now I was sent these by Flashlight brand. They wanted me to test and review these lights. Come in these nice little storage cases. These are keychain lights. They sent me a clear one, and they sent me a blue with a metal flake there and there. So let's wait no further. Let's go ahead and open these up, see what's in. Now the instructions are on the back of the case right here. And because it's kind of small, but it is using the Lumens SST20 LED. Also has UV LEDs on the clear one. So we'll go over that more so you'll know how to use the light. And here they are. Got the top and the bottom same for both lights. These have a kind of a rubberized texture on the bodies. These are keychain lights. 3 LEDs here. Same goes for here. Power switch. Got a nice little stainless steel bezel on there. Here's the charging port, Type C. And we'll take a look here at the special optics, of course. Behind that is the Lumens SST20 LED. Kind of see the LEDs better here on this model than you can this one. Now you can see the built-in battery in there. And normally I would take this apart and show you the insides, but we can't do it on this particular models. So now I'm going to go through the UI. UI is pretty straightforward on this. And click it on, it's the lowest setting. Same as on both of them. One click turns it off. Press down and hold. We'll ramp it up or ramp it down. Now this is 300 lumens. Has a cool white. So the ramping feature is my favorite on lights for some reason. Stepping is okay if you've got a good balance. Again, it's the same for both of them. I'll ramp it up on both of them. Kind of see 300 lumens is a lot of light, especially on your keychain. I'll show you the beam here on this one. Just one large hotspot. Does have a little bit of a spill, but once you get out there 30 feet from you, it's going to be mostly flood. Now to get turbo, you're simply going to double click. That gets you the highest output of 300 lumens. Ramp it back down. Again, 300 lumens. Double click right off the back. A lot of light, especially if you're in pitch blackness. 10 lumens is amazing to have. So now we're going to go ahead with the light off. Just simply going to triple click to get the side LEDs. Just like that. You've got the UV light. Now the blue is probably affecting its ability, but not too bad. Now we're going to click through that. You got the red. Click it again. Now you have the blue. Now that really does a good job. And you have red strobe. And you have the blue strobe. Now you have them alternating back and forth. Click it back to the UV light. Now the UV light is going to work best if you use this light. So again, from off, 1, 2, 3, turns that light on. And the UV is working a little bit better on this one. Click through it. Got the red, same setup as this one. Blue. Got red strobe. Blue strobe. Alternating back and forth. Then you've got the UV again. Press down and hold to get out of that. So now from off, you can click this 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll get you a battery check. 3.9. 3. 3.9 volts on that battery. Now it only does it one time, so it doesn't keep doing it. So it shows you one time. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you know what your voltage is. Really nice on these little keychain lights. You can double check it, charge it whenever it gets down to probably about 3 volts. I wouldn't go any lower than that personally, but you probably could go down to 2.7. But as a rule of thumb, just charge it when it gets to 3 volts because you want to be able to use the light as well. So now we're going to do 5 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now you have the alternating back and forth. That lets you know that the night is now locked out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you got that alternating real fast. Clicks. Now we're back on. Back in business. And then you have 6 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the RGB light is on. When you do 6 clicks, it'll just do the side light, and whenever the light is now off, this will blink. So it's kind of a good little locator beacon for your keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that turns it off. So the choice is yours. You can turn that on, easily locate your keys in the dark. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That turns on that little beacon. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turns that light off. Now 7 clicks from off will factory reset this light, and that's all there is to this. So basically, keychain light, very nice construction, feels real rugged. You don't have to worry about scratching it up here, maybe on the bezel a little bit with your keys, but the way this body is, including that one, these things are really rugged. So no issues that I'm seeing here. These things are really nice to have. Keep one in your car, charge it whenever you need to, probably every 6 months if you don't use it. Alright, well, let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the little Mateminco CSF-04. Looks great out here in the dark. Let's go ahead and get started here. We're ramping. It is on, as you can see. Good for up close. See there. I'll ramp it up here a little bit there. There it is on the fence, kind of gets you an idea. Now that water spout there is 38 feet from where I'm standing. So, kind of give you an idea here. I'll ramp it up a little bit more. Go to the highest of the UI. "65 feet there. There it is on the fence. And give you an idea. More than enough light output for an emergency use. And just is not, well, maybe it is making that tree of life faintly. I don't know if my camera's picking it up, but it is. So you've got about 138 feet of use. Not much after that. That still is impressive for this small of a little light. And we'll go ahead and end it here. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Impressive beam performance for 300 lumens. Now 300 lumens is not going to last very long, so I recommend you using maybe 50, half of the normal UI. That's a lot of light, and it's going to give you the better runtime. Lower the better, of course. The little side lights are really nice. I like the little locator feature on this particular model. Now you can get them in different colors, which is always cool, and especially this one here glows in the dark, which is actually pretty cool. So the different colors depends on what you like, what your preference is. UI is pretty straightforward. It's got that battery check. These things are built rugged, especially to carry around with your keys. They're going to get scratched up, but here with this type of build you're not going to see it as much. Maybe a little bit on that bezel there, but not too much. They feel like they're going to last quite a while. Now the only thing you're going to need is that Type-C charging cable, which everybody pretty much has now. It's become kind of a main type of port. Really a nice feature-packed little keychain light. Little UV lights on it. You want to check your counterfeit bill or currency. It's really nice. Alright. Well, I want to thank Flashlight Brand for sending me this CSF04 to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, I will leave a link down in the description to their website, including my special discount code there. That's going to help you save some money on this, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these keychain lights from Flashlight Brand, Mateminco, to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.